nice looking PC eh. But what if I tell you you could make your PC looks a little better with this one simple mod? Well, it is a cable sleeve. Let's show the intro. Not only it could help to make your PC look better, it could really help a lot in cable management. Cable sleeve is one of the best ways to help those cables that are stuck between behind your motherboard and the chassis. There are many brands that sell cable sleeve. The big players are Cable Mod, which everyone also know. But you could also DIY it yourself just by simple to Google or even some YouTube tutorials. Or you could be like me, where I purchased from these DIY cable sleeve models. I call them models? Yeah, I just call them models. So for purchasing the cable sleeve, you just need to type in cable sleeving PC or just cable mod in any of your favorite sites such as Amazon, etc. Mainly you want to get a 24 pin for your motherboard, 8 pin for your GPU, or even 2 8 pins for your GPUs which are bulky such as the RTX 3090. If you want to have more cable sleeving, you could even purchase it for your SATA cables or for any other sleeves, for example like your 8 pin for your motherboard. That's also possible. Any cables that is plugged into your motherboard, you could basically get them from Cable Mod or even those DIY cables. Tips: make sure your cables are come with those combs. Well, it could really help with the tidiness of your PC. Well, if you do not have the combs when you purchase the cable sleeve, you could always purchase it separately. I link some in the description below. How do you connect your cable sleeve? Well, if you have a model PSU and your cable sleeve is suitable to it, you could just directly plug into your PSU to the cable sleeve and to your motherboard and etc. For a personal tips is actually I would prefer to connect the cable sleeve to the motherboard first and then just pull it to the back of the chassis and then just connect to the cable to the PSU, such as this. If you have not a modular power supply or even having the cable sleeve mismatched with your modular PSU, you could just stick it to the corresponding cables and you attach those to the motherboards or the GPU. basically that's all done for connecting your cable sleeve to your PSU. So you just need to do with some tidying up and some cable management and you are done. Cable sleeve really help with your cable management and also making it look all fine and dandy. Could really help your PC to make it look more custom. So if you agree with me, do comment down below and give a video a like. If you like the video, do like and subscribe. I am trying to get 100 subscribers and I do hope you could help me with it. So that will be all for this week's video. So if you like to see more of my videos, you can look it up right here. I will link them some right here. If anything you want to know more about cable sleeving, do comment down below. I will reply to them if I have the knowledge to it. Alright, that should be all. Thanks.